Hello, friends. Today's agenda is to discuss various aspects of cloud computing, its various types and advantages. Also, to focus on why your IT infrastructure is more secure in the cloud. We will also talk about modernizing life science manufacturing, that is, how analytics, Internet of Things, and the cloud are rewriting drug production in the pharma sector. Let us first see what is cloud computing. Cloud computing is the on demand delivery of compute power, database storage, applications, and other IT resources through a cloud service platform via the internet with pay as you go pricing. Whether you are running applications that share photos to millions of mobile users or you are supporting the critical operations of your business, a cloud service platform provides rapid access to flexible and low cost IT resources. With cloud computing, you don't need to make large upfront investments in hardware and spend a lot of time on the heavy lifting of managing that hardware. Instead, you can provision exactly the right type and size of computing resources you need to power your newest bright idea or operate your IT department. You can access as many resources as you need almost instantly and only pay for what you use. Cloud computing provides a simple way to access servers, storage, databases, and a broad set of application services over the internet. Now we'll look at what are the advantages of cloud computing. First is that you trade capital expenses for variable expenses. Instead of having to invest heavily in data centers and servers, before you know how you are going to use them, you can pay only when you consume computing resources and pay only for how much you consume. Also, there is the benefit from massive economies of scale. By using cloud computing, you can achieve a lower variable cost than you can get on your own because usage from hundreds of thousands of customers is aggregated in the cloud. Cloud providers can achieve higher economies of scale, which translates into lower pay as you go prices. With cloud, you can stop guessing capacity. It eliminates guessing on your infrastructure capacity needs. When you make a capacity decision prior to deploying on an application, you often end up either sitting on expensive idle resources or dealing with limited capacity. With cloud computing, these problems go away. You can access as many, as much, or as little capacity as you need and scale up and down as required with only a few minutes notice. Next is increase in speed and agility. In cloud computing environment, new IT resources are only a click away. Means that you reduce the time to make those resources available to your developers from weeks to just minutes. This results in a dramatic increase in agility for the organization, since the cost and time it takes to experiment and develop is significantly lower. Also, you can stop spending money running and maintaining data centers. Focus on projects that differentiate your business, not the infrastructure. Cloud computing lets you focus on your own customers rather than on the heavy lifting of racking, stacking, and powering servers. Importantly, you can go global in minutes. Easily deploy your application in multiple regions around the world with just a few clicks. This means you can provide lower latency and better experience of your for your customers at minimal cost. Now let us visit what are the types of cloud computing. As cloud computing has grown in popularity, several different models and deployment strategies have emerged to help meet specific needs of different users. Each type of cloud service and deployment method provides you with different levels of control and flexibility and management. Understanding the differences between infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service, as well as what deployment strategies you can use, can help you decide what set of services is right for your needs. First is infrastructure as a service. It is the basic building blocks for the cloud IT and typically provide access to networking features, computers, and data storage space. It provides you with the highest level of flexibility and management control over your IT resources and is most similar to existing IT resources that many IT departments and developers are familiar with today. Second is platform as a service. It removes the need for your organization to manage the underlying infrastructure, usually hardware and operating systems. and allows you to focus on the deployment and management of your applications. This helps you to be more efficient as you don't need to worry about resource procurement, capacity planning, software maintenance, patching, or any of the other undifferentiated heavy lifting involved in your running your application. And last is software as a service. Software as a service provides you with the completed product that is run and managed by the service provider. In most cases, people referring to software as a service are referring to end user applications. With SaaS offering, you do not have to think about how the service is maintained or how the underlying infrastructure is managed. You only need to think about how you will use that particular piece of software. A common example of SaaS application is web-based email, which you can use to send and receive email without having to manage feature additions to the email product or maintain the servers and operating system that the email program is running on. Now let us see reasons your IT infrastructure is more secure and what are the advantages in the cloud. Ask any CIO and you will find data security is a topmost concern. Especially pharmaceutical and healthcare organizations that suffer data breaches risk a loss of reputation and costly fines and penalties related to stolen protected health information. Because of this sensitivity to security risk, many healthcare and pharma organizations have been reluctant to move their information technology infrastructure to the cloud. But there is a myth that physical access implies security. The truth is that from a security standpoint, the cloud offers many advantages over an on-premise IT infrastructure. First, as said earlier, economies of scale. Cloud infrastructure includes exceptional physical security, secure infrastructure, design, and highest level of professional expertise. By moving their IT infrastructure to the cloud, organization can benefit from enterprise level security at a lower cost, required to provide the same level of security in an on-premise environment. That has been an enormous improvement. Compliance support is also a very good advantage. All the major cloud providers offers more than 50 global compliance certifications and accreditations, which ensure healthcare organizations can operate on cloud in accordance with the relevant laws and regulations. By design, the cloud offers higher level of transparency, monitoring, and traceability than on-premise environments. The cloud allows organizations to set up rule-based automated compliance, deviations from organizational policy, for example, an occurrence of unencrypted data storage, are detected and communicated automatically. These capabilities are absolutely crucial when maintaining compliance and data security. Most importantly, robust and integrated security tool sets. Cloud offers a deep security toolset, including network security, encryption, and identity management, with a focus on optimizing performance, reducing cost, and improving security. Interestingly, one of the risks of using an on-premise security infrastructure is the tendency to set it and forget it. Many organizations often deploy new IT infrastructure and move on to other priorities. Even if they have processes for updating, upgrading, and monitoring infrastructure, that impact security, most have no staff or expertise to provide a 24 by 7 security support. It is to be noted that security and compliance are living and breathing things. There are new threats coming at you every single day, and your environment and applications are constantly changing. Ultimately, moving IT infrastructure to the cloud helps CIOs focus less on security and more on their organization's core competencies. The goal is to free up the organization's internal IT team so they can concentrate on taking care of their own and other important priorities rather than worrying about security. Coming to modernizing life sciences manufacturing, let us see how analytics, IoT, and the cloud are rewriting drug production. Manufacturing is one of the most challenging environments in the pharmaceutical industry. Companies must quickly and efficiently and consistently execute complex processes in compliance with evolving regulations. Any missteps in these processes can lead to shortages or compromise safety of drug therapies and are critical to patient lives. Today, enhanced data collection through connected IoT devices, data analytics, and machine learning in the cloud are giving companies near real-time insights into their plants, equipping them to manage these pressures and modernize their manufacturing pipelines. This is a great value of automated and continuous compliance in the cloud. Manufacturers that run their regulated workloads on the clouds are realizing a range of unique benefits, including enhanced traceability and trackability of what's occurring in their IT environment, near real-time testing and enhanced speed of setup. Now you can unlock the value of existing manufacturing data with analytics and machine learning. Seeing an opportunity to significantly lower cost while increasing output reliability and quality, some infrastructure and manufacturers are integrating data analytics into existing production environments to gain insights into process parameters that determine critical quality metrics, enabling them to identify and resolve issues faster. The capability to get fresh insights from existing data is made possible by the ability for manufacturers to store and analyze vast amounts of information in an efficient manner in the cloud. When we talk about cloud enabled future of manufacturing, in the years to come, manufacturers' ability to uncover insights from new and existing data will increase sharply, bringing with it the potential for efficiency gains and resolution of difficult challenges. These IoT devices are already improving day-to-day operations of production plants while providing new streams of information to flow into cloud-based data lakes for analysis. Drug makers are using machine learning and data from IoT sensors to predict when equipment is at risk of failure, thereby averting costly and time-consuming unplanned shutdowns. The realized value of the data will rest on manufacturers' ability to efficiently probe it for actionable insight, something that is impossible to do manually at these scales. Expanding the use of cloud-based artificial intelligence and machine learning can help to resolve these problems by enabling companies to more quickly find answers from the vast data sets. In light of changes to drug portfolios and commercial pressures, such manufacturing efficiency gains are no longer just nice to have. Increasingly efficient, modernized production plants are needed to thrive in the competitive drug market. Manufacturers that recognize this fact and deploy scalable cloud-based systems today can profit from the ongoing boom in the production data, securing themselves a competitive advantage for years to come. Thank you, friends. If you require more information, please contact as per the information given on this slide. Thank you.